Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a scalping tutorial. This is ES Futures, and I'm using the B.I.T.S, the Breakout Intelligent Trading Signal. So this is for quick scalps during the day. This is just a period of 1 hour, and this is today. This is live with ES, and the date is the 28th of June. So 28th of June 2022. I've got the EMA cloud on there as well, which is a little indicator we've got. I always like to see this really. I set this on 21 usually with ES, RTY and that sort of thing when scalping. And it allows me to ensure that we are in the right sort of area, and then the pullbacks against a certain move, so we're trending down today. If they don't really break that and stay in it, then I'm good to go. I'm also using the bias depth heat map, so I'm combining a few indicators here. So really that the EMA cloud is just more of a comfort blanket, if you like, to make sure that we're still trending, but also the B.I.T.S is for the signal, and then a confirmation is with a bias depth heat map. The bias depth heat map is actually 6 time frames up above this 1 minute time frame. So if they're all red, they're all bearish. We've got some really good confirmation here. So this is very, very simple. You can see the current trade that's in right now, and I'll go back to that in a minute. But I'm going to start back up here just an hour ago when we got this signal. So basically what the B.I.T.S looks for is a contraction in price action, but with an increase in volume as well. So this is the signal candle where my cursor is right here. So we're coming down, it pulls back up, and then it's ready to pop back down again. And the software recognizes that this candle's range is equal to or less than the average of the previous 20 candles, but it's got more volume than the previous candle. So it's ready to pop, and there it goes all the way down. So we got target 1, target 2, target 3, target 4, and it hits target 4 without the stop is there. And a lot of the time it will get there really, really quickly to those targets. So this first trade is 30 ticks for a scalp there. We then pull back and see how the EMA cloud holds that. This is good. That gives me confidence. Even though the bias heat map, we're going sort of neutral in the yellow and a little bit of green, but then starts to come back down again. And then we get another signal candle here. Higher volume than the previous candle and lower to or average than the previous 20 candles. Really, really strong signal candle here. We dictate where the entry is going to be, where the stop's going to be, and then boom, all the way down. But as it's coming down, we get another signal candle here. We can add to that. Then we get another signal candle here. We're getting all the confirmations because all the bias depth heat maps are short. So, you know, you start with one contract here, you add another contract there, you add another contract there, and it gets all the way down to this point here, which is from that original signal around about 94 ticks for that scalp. Now we're on 3 contracts. Take it out. Go sideways. Look what happens again. Continual trading opportunities. Gets that squeeze signal candle, gives the entry, goes short, hits target 4 again. You get the confirmation from the bias depth heat map. Right now, this is the trade that's in. So we take it target 4. I mean, you may decide just to take target 3. You may decide looking back, actually target 3 is hit every single time. I'm going to take target 3. We then go sideways. We get another signal squeeze candle, go short again, and we're at target 2 already on this one. So very, very simple scalping trading strategy, really. I'm going to put the links down below to these 3 indicators. Remember, the signal is from the B.I.T.S, the Breakout Intelligent Trading Signals software. The confirmation is from the bias depth heat map. Very, very important this. If we haven't got the confirmation, we're not going to take the signal. So, for example, all of a sudden, if we get a move up on ES right now and it comes through the EMA cloud, and we get a B.I.T.S signal to go north, but our bias is not ready. This is not a trend reversal type of indicator. Don't get suckered into that, because We haven't got the confirmation from the buyer's depth heat map. So we're only interested in when we get these pullbacks against the trend of the day, and we get that contraction in price action, but also that increase in volume. We're ready to pop. We take those scalps, pop, 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 all the way through. And this is just an hour's trading. And there's probably 300-400 ticks in this strategy here for a scalper, which is very, very good. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.